How to create Etsy seller account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Etsy.com. You will be led to the official web page of Etsy. Tap on the sign in option you see there and in the login portal that appears, enter your login credentials associated with Etsy. And if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgot Your Password option and recover your password by following the on-screen prompts. You can also sign in using your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account. And if you do not have an account, tap on the register button you see there and create an account for Etsy by following the on-screen prompts in order to be able to create an Etsy seller account. So, once you have logged in, tap on your profile icon and you will see the Sell on Etsy option in the menu that appears. Just in case, if you do not see the Sell on Etsy option, then go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and under the Sell tab, tap on the Seller Handbook option. Now, you will see the option for Create Your Shop. Tap on that. You will then be led to the Shop References page, so go ahead and fill in the required details. Start by selecting your shop language and then select your shop country and further enter the shop currency. Now, tap on the Save and Continue button. Further, enter your shop name. Make sure the name should be between 4 to 20 characters and no special characters, space, or accented letters should be used. Once done, tap on the Save and Continue button again. You will then be required to enter a category based on your shop. Search for the category and tap on the most relevant one. You will then be asked questions based on your product. For instance, I will add wall hangings and decorative items for my shop. Now, select if your item is physical or digital. You will then be required to enter who made the product. Next, enter if the product is a finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Next, enter when the product was made. You will then have to select how does your shop produce the items you are selling and also enter what are the tools that is being used to produce the product. Once entered, tap on the Save and Continue button. Next, tell customers about your item and why they will love it. Also, include keywords that buyers would use to search for your item. You will also be required to enter 10 photos and 1 video of the product that you are selling for verification purpose. Once entered, you will further be required to describe your product. Tell your customers what makes your item special. Make sure that buyers will only see the first few lines unless they expand the description, so ensure that your first few lines are eye-catchy. You can also collect personalized information for this listing if necessary. Once done, scroll down and enter the price and inventory. Set a price for your item and indicate how many are available for sale. You can add SKU if needed. Next, you will be required to enter variations if your product offers different colors, sizes, materials, etc. Tap on the Add Variations tab and select variations such as primary color, secondary color, width, height, and depth. You can also create your own if necessary. Next, enter tags and attributes. Share specifics about your item to make it easier to find in search and to help buyers know what to expect. Select craft. You can select up to 5. Next, enter primary color, secondary color, width and height along with the unit. Next, enter tags to help people search for your listing and add materials to tell people what's used to make your items. Now, scroll down and under the Details tab, share a few more specifics about your item to make it easier to find and search and to help buyers know what to expect. You can add core details and category to help you stand out among the competitors. You will then be required to enter the delivery details. Give shoppers clear expectations about delivery time and cost by making sure your delivery info is accurate, including the delivery profile and your order processing schedule. You can make updates anytime in delivery settings. Also, add item weight and size for detailed delivery. While creating your delivery details, enter the postage prices, origin, zip code, processing time. And under Standard Delivery tab, enter Delivery Services option and what you will charge. Enter any other details if required and then tap on the Apply button. Next, under the Settings tab, if you want to apply for simple policy of 30 days, tap on the Apply this policy option. Under this policy, buyer is responsible for return postage cost and any loss in value if an item is not returned in original condition. Next, enter Shop section. This helps in organizing your products into groups shoppers can explore. Also, toggle on the button for Feature this listing if you want to showcase this listing at the top of your shop's homepage to make it stand out. And if you want auto renewal, select the automatic option, and if you do not want automatic renewal of listings, select the manual option. Once done, tap on the Save and Continue option. With this, your listing is all set and ready. If you want to add more to your listing, tap on the Add More Listing button and you will be asked to enter your details, such as where is your bank account located, and you will also be required to tell a bit about yourself. So, go ahead and enter your country of residence, your first name and last name, your birth date, and your taxpayer addresses. You will also be required to enter your social security number. You can also connect your bank via Plate. Tap on the Save and Continue button in order to save the changes you just made. So, this is how you can create an Etsy seller account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.